First, let's power on. Then press OK. After booting the machine directly, import the cutting file we want to process. Import the graphic file. Go to your USB drive, then click on it. Open it. Alright, after opening, we need to start working. With the top left corner as the origin point, there's a Set Origin option here. Top left confirmed. The origin point will be attached on this area automatically. That's enough. There is another way. The origin can be picked up by the mouse, or this origin can be picked up. OK, use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Inside the process settings, choose the Wire 1 option. The processing speed is from 1 to 2 seconds per minute. Adjust to 1.5 millimeters or 2 millimeters. Then the speed is usually fixed at 2003. Input 2300. Then confirm. At this point, we turn on the light, which is the illumination light. Turn it on, then the machine lights up inside. Then through the hand controller, find the position you need to work on first. This is the x-axis. To the right, go right. The vertical direction is the y-axis. It's the y-axis. Alright, after we locate the work position, reset the coordinate system. Clear all values to 0. Then over here, the magnification factor. Wire switch, turn it on, it will have a value. 10% of 2300 is 230. And then, wire moves. We usually need to achieve 100%. Then let's look at the cutting direction of this task. The direction of this task must follow your trajectory and must be to the right. After the wire moving speed in place. OK, still wait until the wire moving speed reach what you set. Just click Start. Then we mainly focus on this place. See, it starts processing. And the cutting speed is 1.5. We can make cutting speed reach to 100%. It becomes 3.0. Okay, we see the speed is faster now. If halfway through we need to stop it, you can click stop. It stops now. Okay, then if we want to start the program now, click this button to start. It will start from the beginning. It will return to the original point and start automatically. If you want to start from where you stop, please use Resume button instead of Start. Click again to stop. It stops at this point. We click this button to continue from the break point. It will continue. Alright, I stop now. This is the wire switch. Always open the cutting fluid before working. Open the cutting fluid. After opening the cutting fluid, it will have water. That's it for the complete process. First, tighten the wire. After the wire tightened, it will have tension. Give the tension number around 130. Add more if not enough. Around 150 would be good enough. Make sure to tighten the wire. Then open the cutting fluid. Tap the cutting fluid on cutting wire. Close the door. Make the wire running. The running speed of cutting wire must reach 100%. Wait until it reaches the speed of 2300 we set. Don't start working until it reaches 2300. At this point, let's check if the wire is tensioned. If the wire starts running, and then the cutting fluid opens too. Once it reaches 2300, you can start directly. If it's inconvenient to see in red, clear the machining path by right-click, then it's gone. Make sure to start with the beginning of your path for start point. After reaches 2300 here, it speeds up, then click Start. Just look at this spot and it starts. The red one is the processing trajectory. It starts move. Okay, then just wait for it to finish the job, that's it.